In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jitter video. Making a video in Jitter is a straightforward process that offers both creativity and simplicity, allowing anyone to craft visually captivating content with ease. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Jitter homepage. Be sure you're logged into your account to access all the features you might need. Once you're there, your next step is to navigate to the Templates section. You might feel inclined to start from scratch, and by all means, you're welcome to. But today we'll make things a little easier by using a template. Templates are a fantastic starting point because they save you time and give you a professional-looking design with minimal effort. You can still customize them to your heart's desire, so don't worry about being locked into any particular style. After clicking on templates, you'll be greeted with a variety of options. Take your time and click on any template that catches your eye. Once you've chosen a template, your next move is to duplicate it. The duplicate function is really handy. It creates an editable copy of your template, so you can start tinkering without affecting the original. This is especially useful if you're experimenting or working through some ideas and want the freedom to make mistakes. With your duplicated template open, look towards the side menu and click on Design. This is where you'll find a host of customization tools to really make the template your own. From colors to fonts to layout, the design section empowers you to alter the aesthetic aspects of your video to match your vision or brand. After you've adjusted the design elements, you'll want to double-click on the scene. By doing this, you open up a more detailed view, allowing you to tweak elements at a finer level. This step is key if you want any animations or transitions to look just right. Now direct your attention to an element named Jitter Team, or whichever corresponds to your selected template. Click on it as this is the component you're about to make edits to, ensuring it aligns with your overall story or message. Here's a little tip if you're looking to infuse even more personality. Right-click on any section and select Edit. This feature gives you flexibility over the object's properties. You're not limited to just what you see. You're free to modify and personalize each element. Finally, type in any of the text you want to add or change. Customize this text to match the message you want to convey. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll produce a video tailored to your liking. Congratulations on creating your Jitter video. Now go ahead and share your creation with the world or use it to impress your clients or audience. Enjoy exploring the possibilities Jitter offers and turn your video projects into engaging stories effortlessly.